tie from obi akwa baba attention TV so kwentu amachase na Bible can say me say ye fiefo ebedu baby no matumi aye atamfo no eye no grepa na say ne Bible kan no eye trodo ene ye ko Nigeria awerehosam ene asem a wankasa wotie a woye mbehye pa esiwewo Nigeria mem abemu esuko no makrawa ya abeye 16-17 years etumi ahwo bo ade nyankopon anim akoji eye poison was stranger bi ho according to the boy no was one nam na wo hia wo papa bi o kire na body o so describe no say ne papa ne tie nyina de eye poison ne man so won fa mbegu ne maame liquid food koko tea na se bibi mu na won fa ngum ma ne maame just like that na won nom asem ya no odin just abemu anya kukuduru abe ne pepepe nyankopon de wo do ho to ne su yem se maame no oye Kristo ni mapasa abre nkrofo e wa around na se neighbors eboa ye chi akola bi san se den na wodi gu ni maame aduane mu a wo ye ne sa no empempin ye nim se kaso ha ya yankasa ye kaso ha ya memu amiense bi o mankasa echi o madamfo anka wo mu kunu ye de akogi eye sikeduro sanso na Nigeria wa abemu abi a no invite na maame se maame weekend we dey ma feel momode na be sra me no sana wo pene maame moja de akogi sikeduro wi echire no wo twen sika no maame so anko ba be twen maame moja e de akogi sikeduro enti nkrofo e wo around na se me kura madwen chem se nkrofo dodo na echire mu se anase police for kan se de bi ne abemu ane kan se e strange de bi na de aduro ne man se won fa megu ne maame aduane mu na enye no kura de biara da na bia we follow a sika chi kwan bi na ya kire ne se won be ye saade no enti ne wo tuna no bobo so papa se stranger bi na de man na fa ikosi hede ene de wo mo nyi ntuma ti no ebra wo ye o de begum ne o de bi egum dadanko wo kikire nkai e de akosi aposifo so mo de be mananom o mo de ti ni be mananom no wi ane aka no de egu na aduane nkakra so wo betena ase a wo bukotodwe e pacho akola wo yesa eye wo de me enko Nigeria ne enko hwa abemu anu sania wo tie na kire comment sania akola we ne wa ye no eye ana sanye.
That thing you're holding for your hand, what is it?
Poison.
Yeah?
Poison.
Poison. I don't understand. Is it perfume or what is it?
Poison.
Poison. So what do you want to make use of it? Why do you want to make use of it?
I put it inside kettle. Somebody, when you use and do something, the person will die.
The person will die. And who is the person that you want to kill?
So mama.
Who?
Mama.
Who is your mama?
Well.
I said what mama.
Your mama? Huh?
Mama.
What did she do to you now that makes you want to kill her?
She didn't do anything.
Huh? Then why do you want to kill her?
I was sent by somebody.
Somebody. Who is that?
Mama.
Who is the? Do you know the name of the man?
No, I don't.
Huh?
No, sir.
But if you see the man, you will recognize him.
Yes, I will know him.
Do you know his house?
We went to the place he was sitting down, but it did not see him. That house.
So the person said that. What is your purpose? Why do you want to kill this mama?
The person said I should kill him.
You should kill him.
For person, matter drink and die.
Bernard, you will drink this tea now. You have put it already now. So you will drink this one now.
No, this one you drink the tea.
You drink the tea now.
You drink this one. Then after you drink that one.
So you drink it now. You hear me? Huh?
Yes.
Bernard.
This person, in one way or the other, he don't maltreat you.
No.
It's supposed to be in his school.
Yes.
What happened where you go before he can carry you? What happened where you did before?
I was misbehaving that side, so my daddy carried me that from there.
Come back.
Yes,
what kind of misbehave?
Yeah. What kind of misbehave?
What were you doing there?
There was a day like that. Me and my Oga daughter, we sleep together, so they will carry me out from that place.
You people sleep like you are lying down.
You want to sleep with her?
No, two of us sleep together, so they carry me out from that place.
I don't understand. What happened? How can you sleep? Or you want to sleep with the girl?
Yes.
You want to sleep with the girl? Yes. You can catch you.
Yes.
Can't chase you away.
Call my daddy from village. My daddy carry me. No, from Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt.
From Benue, your father
Yes.
from Benue go to Port Harcourt.
Carry me and come this
Come chase you from Port Harcourt.
Yes, my daddy carry me and come this side.
So this woman come fall in love with you. Come carry you.
Take me as a
Come take you as his own son.
yes.
So he say he won't go to school. What they going to tell you about school?
She say after junior WAEC, I will go to school.
Which month when won't carry you? When say go start? When you say go start school?
September.
September.
I will go to school, yes.
Turn the
For whose side? You say for where? You say who will come carry you?
You say his son go carry me.
Who be his son? Me. Come carry you. It's about me.
No.
You know they do it to me.
No.
What you people will do now is for you to people to go inside there, go and bring all his belongings out.
Turn the tea very well
If
first.
you drink this tea now, you go carry your bag, go.
But I don't want to go, please.
But the tea first, you go drink
want to go.
them. You go drink the tea first.
You
Turn
don't
am.
want to go.
Boy,
Wait, you don't want to go.
turn the tea.
Then why do you want to
Drink
kill this mama now? It's not because of this mama that you are here.
Yes, it
Why do you want to kill the person now? Why do you want to kill her? What did she do?
do nothing.
Huh? Then why do you want to kill her? Huh? Why do you want to kill her? Huh? You will turn this tea now, then you will drink it. Unless you are going to show us the person's house.
We want the person, but you know that
You go and show us the person's house. Huh? You hear me? So you go and show us the person's house. Are you hearing me now? How many times have you seen the person?
I've seen it twice.
Twice.
Yeah, that's yesterday.
You said yesterday?
Yes, and that's Sunday.
Sunday and yesterday. So somebody you have seen twice. If you see him, you recognize him.
Yes.
You must surely
I will
recognize
know
him.
the man.
How is the man looking like?
He is a married person.
He's married.
Yes.
Everybody's
Like
married.
if you see the person,
Is it
how
dark
the
or
Yes, he
person?
have beers.
Is it dark or yellow or
It's dark. He have beer.
tall or short? This side.
Yes.
This village.
Yes, around that side.
Is the hair grow?
Yes, he has grown hair.
Compound though.
Then, like sometimes, like it's like Shanka center.
ewiase ayesum asese a wonna ma no wase de Nyankopon so wonbo ho ba because yemma na sese a e poison ekwientwa makra